may be in this big wide world, it is Monday, and that can only mean one thing. It is Monday Show and Tell. And this week, we want you to head off to your stash. And in that stash, we want you to find something that isn't made in the US and isn't made in China, and we'd like you to share it with us. So basically, it was a bit of a tough one for me. I actually don't have anything in my shop, or in my stash for that matter, that doesn't come from China or the US. I do have some Japanese fabrics, but they're just plain solids. They come from Japan, and they're not very exciting. So I thought, well, I'm actually going to bend the rules a little bit on this one, mainly because otherwise I don't have anything to show you. So a friend of mine, Sue, went to China last year on the hunt for some different sorts of fabrics. And she brought back a whole different heap of, a huge array of fabrics she brought back. Some with owls on them, some with, just very oriental inspired fabrics and all the rest of it. And she brought me back a piece that she thought would be great for my purses. And basically, the purses that I make from this, I probably won't sell. I'll probably just keep for myself. It's a beautiful fabric. It definitely has to be stabilized because it does fray a bit. I'm not exactly sure the composition of the fabric, what it is, whether it's like a satiny sort of fabric, and I guess they would make like jackets and stuff out of it, and all that sort of stuff. So as not to keep you into too much suspense, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the fabric. You can see it's a beautiful black with like an iridescent blue, and I don't think the camera actually picks that up too well, but it actually has quite a shimmer to it. It's a large piece of fabric. It's quite a large piece, about 1 meter. It does fray a bit, so you can see there it is fraying a little bit, so I try not to handle it too much, especially at those ends there. So that's the fabric that I've picked out, and basically what I'm going to do with this fabric is I'm actually going to make a couple of purses. I want to make an NCW with it, and I also want to make a Brook clutch with it. The NCW is by Emmeline Bags, and the Brook clutch is by Love Me Patterns. The lovely Mel designed that bag, and I've made that a few times in class, and I just think that this fabric will just look beautiful in that, and possibly even her Pretty Woman bag, I might even do it in that as well. But yes, so this will be used as a feature in the purses and the handbags. So just little bits of it will be used, and I should get a nice variety of bags out of it. So that's my fabric for today. So now you need to head off to your stash and go and see what you've got. And if you're in our Facebook group, post a picture below this video, and leave us a comment and tell us all about your fabric, where you found it, how you came across it, and all that sort of stuff. If you're finding us here for the first time on YouTube, consider subscribing to our channel, because we do this every Monday. And hit that link below, and that'll scoot you on over to our Facebook page, and that way you can join in the fun as well. So if you like this video today, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, tell us what you think, tell us what you might want to see in Monday Show and Tell. And if you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it, and that way you won't miss out on any future crafty posts. For those that don't know, my name's Nicole Reed, and this is Monday Show and Tell. And I'll see you all again next week. Bye for now.